How to fix
How
the
to
extraction
download
operation
HP
was
laptop
not
drivers.
completed
In
error.
this
In
video,
this video, I will guide you step
on
by
how you
step
can
on how
download
to fix
HP
the
laptop
extraction
drivers.
operation was
The first
not
thing you want to
completed
do is
error.
open up
Now to
any
fix
web
this
browser.
problem, the first
Now
thing you
you
want
want
to
to
do is
search
open up
HP
any web
drivers.
browser,
Then
then
click on the
you
very
want to
first
search
website, which is
support.hp.com.
now.hp.com.
For
Now
here,
here
you
you
want
have
the
to
option
select
of
either laptop
64-bit
or
or
desktop.
62-bit.
Then you will
Go
have to
ahead and
enter your
select that
serial
according to
number,
your
product number
PC.
or
If you
product
do
name
not know
over
it,
here.
then you can
Go
simply
ahead
search
and add
system
that.
information and
Then
find the
you want to
detail over
select your
here.
OS.
Once
After
you have
that,
found it,
select
what
the
version
file.
of OS
Then
you
simply
have,
click on the download
then click on the
option. Now
submit
wait for the
option.
file to
If
be
you do not know
downloaded.
these
After it
information, you
has
can
been
simply search
downloaded,
for
locate the
system
folder.
information and
Now
then
right
get
click and
all the
select
details
run
you
as
need. Now from here,
administrator.
you can
Then
follow the
download
on-screen
whichever
prompts
driver
to
you want,
install this
except
by your
once it has been
system. To
installed,
accept
you
this
want to
one, you
locate
can
the
basically download
problematic
whichever
file.
you want.
Then
Simply
right
click
click
on
on
the
that
download
now,
option
and that's
click
all
on
for
the
this
7-zip
video. If
option
you
and
found
you
it
can
useful,
make
make
sure
sure
to
to
hit
hit
the
the
like
like here
button
without
and
getting any
subscribe
error.
for
And
more
that's all
videos
for this
like this.
video. If you found it useful, make
How
sure
to
to hit the
download
like button
HP
and
laptop
subscribe for
drivers.
more
In this
videos like
video, I
this.
will guide you step by step.